Hello and welcome to your new contactless practice. Keep your staff and patients safe by reducing the number of touch points for them during visits. Let me take you through how it works. It's all set up, so don't worry, you don't have to do a thing. Your automatic appointment reminders now contain links for your patients to complete their forms online. They log in using their surname and date of birth, and links are unique, which makes them secure. From the portal, patients can now complete their forms on their own device from the comfort of their own home. Completed forms are saved in the patient's portal and also in Exact against the patient file for you to access at any time. Now that the patient's completed their forms, let's see what happens in the practice. Forms completed in the portal will be saved on the patient's file. Patient demographics, terms and conditions, and contact consent can be found on the Contacts tab. Once a patient has completed their contact consent form in the portal, this will update their preferences in Exact automatically. Medical history will be saved in the Medical tab, and oral health surveys will be saved under Oral Health on the Chart tab. When a patient completes their form in the portal, you'll see the form saved with Portal as the creator. Patients can also complete their NHS forms in their portal. Completed forms will automatically link to a course of treatment when you create one and update the exemptions in Exact. You can view a patient's signed NHS form via the exemptions window. This will show you the form linked to the specific course of treatment that you're looking at. Exact decides which forms a patient needs to complete based on the appointment arrival logic, and sends those forms to the portal when the automatic appointment reminder is generated. If a form isn't in the portal or a patient needs to complete one again, you can manually request one. You'll notice a new icon on the patient file. Clicking this will open the patient portal window. From here, send forms to the portal for the patient to complete by selecting the button for the form you want. So that's it. There's nothing for you to do. Your patients will start receiving their portal links and completing their forms online. If you have any questions, our friendly support team are here to help. We hope that you and your patients enjoy your new patient portal.